Hi all, welcome to my channel, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Titanic issue 19, yes, excellent stuff. In this one we have a lot of detail to add to the funnels. So we've got two funnels to make up with ladders, see, forward steam escape pipe for funnel, aft steam escape pipe for funnel, grill, second funnel interior, whistles with steam supply pipe, but they don't work, ladder, water pipe for first funnel, water pipe for second funnel, water pipe B for first funnel, water pipe C for first funnel, water pipe D for first funnel, platform, smoke generator, funnel count, 3 PB screws. Wow, what a list. And what have we got in the magazine? And here we have the magazine, coming in issue 20, connecting cable for the first funnel, LEDs and circuit board, various vents, hatches, grills and screws. And a date with destiny. John Jacob Astor IV was thought to be the richest man in the world when, as a newlywed, he boarded Titanic in Europe, bound for home in the US. Quite an interesting read about John Jacob Astor and his wife, who was with him, much younger than him. Here we have a picture of them both, John Jacob Astor and his second wife, Madeline. Quite an age difference, and they found it difficult to actually get somebody to do the ceremony. And here we have the funeral cortege, because John Jacob passed away on the Titanic. Interesting story, very interesting. And here we have Titanic as narrative inspiration for Downton Abbey, one of my wife's favourite series and films. And yes, I have had to go to the cinema twice to watch it with her. There we go, that is interesting enough. And here we have assembling the second funnel, all these parts. So quite a few steps to get through. Yep. I think we'll do one funnel and then I'll either speed build the second or just show it complete. But there we go. Well, there we go. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Okay, let's get the parts out of the box. Okay, so those are all the parts. First thing we need to do is pop this in there. There's a little cutout just there, and the wiring faces up just like that. Excellent stuff. Now we need to fit that into here, basically like that. Well, let's see if we've got this the right way around. There's two cutouts, they both look the same there and there. Right, we just need 2 EP screws. Excellent. There we go. That's looking brilliant. Next we need this, what we created in the last issue. That pops over there like that. And that is that step completed. For now, we need this piece, which fits over here, around here. Now there's 2 tabs, one there, one there. One is larger than the other, so you can't really get this the wrong way around. There we go, like that. Yep. It's pretty plain on either side of it. There we go. Lovely jubbly. There is more detail on this surface here. You can just see it where these eyes are. I don't know if you can actually see that there. Come on. There we go, you can just see it there, whereas the other side is all plain and flat. That's the correct way. Now we need to marry this up with this. There's 3 holes here and that fits just there like that. Excellent. So these holes along with these holes. Excellent stuff. And then we've got one of these grills. It should fit. Look at that, that looks brilliant already. As a matter of fact, gone too far. What's next? We need to fit this. Silly sausage. Hole at the bottom for the cable. Let's see if we can get this right first time, but we can't. So I'll have to use some tweezers. Let's see the cable. Like this. Can't get it all. Let's try that again. Straighten that out as much as possible. Fish it all the way down. There we go. Just move the top. Excellent. Very first time, or second time I should say. Don't be cheating. And then we fit this on top. Oh, fingers and thumbs today, I tell you. It's too warm. There we go. It's not fixed in place yet anyway. Just a matter of showing you where it goes. Well, there it is. Look at another camera. There we go. Did early got these. Look excellent. Brilliant stuff. And just for now, pop some masking tape on it. Keep that grill in place. Excellent. Okay, now we need 19B, which is this one, and this fits on this side. Let's do a test fit. No, that's not the right one, that. It's got to be this one. There we go. Should just pop in place. There we go. Very nice. I think we're going to have to glue that one. I just have to glue one. I'm not going to be using super glue. I'm going to use micro crystal clear. It'll hold it just nicely in place. It does set clear, as it says. You can apply it with just a cocktail stick. I don't like using super glue, not on painted parts like these, because you know how toxic it is and it leaves a white residue sometimes. So I use this on my aircrafts when I'm doing my aircraft builds, canopies, and it does work a treat. So I've only put it on one peg at the moment. Get that back in place there, and it looks white because it is white, but it does dry clear. There we go. So I've just applied it onto that one. As you can see, that bit of white there. I'll let that set. Might take 15-20 minutes to dry that, but it doesn't matter. Okay, next thing it wants us to fit is one of these, and this. Again, we can use a little bit of glue. Put that on this tab here. There we go. That's that in place. Excellent. Now we want 19A, which is this one. Again, I'll pop a little bit of glue there, and this fits just there and there. Let it go in. It does fit in there eventually. One's got it, that one's got it. Excellent. I think I'll have to put some more glue. Hello, that's gone there now. Excellent, there we go. Brilliant. That's really looking good. And now we have, is it the whistle? Yep, the whistle. That fits over the top. There's 3 holes there, and there. Yeah, it will fit nicely. So I'll just get some more glue for that. Nicely does it. Excellent stuff. It's really looking the part. And last but certainly not least, we've got the ladders, and we can see where they fit. Just do a test fit. There we go, that's them in at the top. There. Yep. Look at that. Oh, look brilliant. Loving it. Right, I'll glue that. There we go. That's the ladders in place. Looking absolutely fantastic. Brilliant stuff. And that should be more or less set now as well. Excellent. Okay, so now we've done the first funnel, we can do the second funnel. Excellent stuff. Show you this in a minute. Let's have a look. This one for here. There we go. There's the second funnel. Oh, nicely done. Just needs to set now that glue, and we have 2 funnels. There we go, steam pipes, ladders, whistles, and a platform there. Excellent stuff. Looking brilliant. Okay, now I need to organise these water pipes. See what we got. 19G. No, it's not. That's 19G. Very confusing. There we go. And 19K. Right, let's fit them. Okay, no. We need this. And we need, let's see, 19H, which is this one. This should lean forward once we've put it in place. Just like that. There we go. That's 19H. There we go, on the first class gym and stairwell. Excellent stuff. There we go. Popped that up to one side, because now we need the officers' quarters. I'll take the lifeboats off, we don't need to do anything with them at this moment in time. That's all looking nice and bonny as well. Right, now we need 19G, which goes in here, I believe. Should go in there. Something like that. Doesn't hold that very well, to be honest. And then we need 19K, which is this one, which goes in there, like that. And that's a bit skew with as well. Then we need 19i. It should go in there. I don't think it is going to do. Them moves don't look very clear. Nope, I'm going to clear the moves first. Bear with me. Okay, let's move these further out of the way and put these pipes in. Now, I'll put a cocktail stick down them just to make sure these will go in. I'm not going to force them down though, not just yet anyway, because they don't want us to glue them anyway. So what's the point of let's see, gluing them? I think this one goes in here. Twist it around a little bit, there we go. That one's gone in alright. There we go, that's all them in place. Very fiddly, seems we're not actually fitting them or gluing them in place, but you can see they don't fully go down, so we're going to have to force them down anyway. Make the holes that little bit bigger when we do come around to doing it properly. And there's the lifeboats. Excellent. So that will be fitted in a future issue, and this is what we've completed today. Still looking very impressive though. I do like them ladders. Yep. Excellent. Looks absolutely brilliant. That glue should have set by now. Brilliant stuff. Well, there we go folks. That's what they look like in place. Look very impressive, don't they? So put them on the other camera. Obviously the steam pipes aren't glued into place yet, but that's something what they'll look like anyway. Looking absolutely fantastic. Brilliant stuff. Well, there we go folks, that's issue 19 completed. I'm really chuffed about that. I mean, it was a little bit fiddly to be honest. The glue has held really well. I'm glad we don't always have to use super glue because we know what that can be like. But anyway, that is another build completed. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for issue 20. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.